Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Zedge Ringtones work on iPhone. To make Zedge Ringtones work on your iPhone, you'll need to follow a few steps since iPhones don't allow direct downloading of ringtones from third-party apps like Zedge. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you set Zedge Ringtones on your iPhone. Download GarageBand from the App Store. You will need a GarageBand app, which is free in the App Store. This app allows you to create custom ringtones on iPhone. And make sure you have a Zedge app. Now, open it. Go to Ringtones. Browse and download the ringtone you want from Zedge. Take note that Zedge doesn't directly save ringtones to iPhone settings, so you'll need to take some additional steps to use it. Now tap on the ringtone you selected, then tap on Download. After downloading your ringtone from Zedge, tap on Set on Device. Save it to your Files app on the iPhone. Tap on Save to Files, and tap on Save in the top right. Now go to your Files app, then go to Browse. Go to Downloads, tap on the digital ringtone that has downloaded. Hit OK, and it will redirect you to the GarageBand. Now double tap the ringtone and choose Loop. Now adjust the length. Edit the audio clip to ensure it's the desired length for a ringtone. iPhone ringtones are typically 30 seconds or less. Once you're satisfied with the track, tap the down arrow in the top left corner and choose My Songs. Long press on the project you just created. Tap Share. Then choose Ringtone. Then tap Continue. Name your ringtone and tap Export. Then tap OK. Alternatively, you can go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone, and you'll find your new Zedge ringtone there to choose as your default. By following these steps, you can successfully use a Zedge ringtone on your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.